Hey folks, this is Josh, Stoney Ridge Farmer. Welcome to the farm vlog today. Today, we're not going to be working on that, but we will be soon. We got a bunch of rain coming in the next few days, and I've got to get a few things done on the tractor. So we were out bush hogging, basically our last bit of bush hogging for the year, and we're going to go up here. I'm going to show you how the quick attach loader attaches. So I had a couple viewers ask me to show how the quick attach loader hooks up to the John Deere 5065. So today we'll take you up there and we'll show you how it all works. All right? Before I even get on the tractor, there's a few things I want to show you, a few gadgets that help me out along the way when I'm using my tractor. I have a phone mount that basically suction cups to the hood of the tractor. I have a cushion up here, and it might look gross, but it's not really gross, and it's hanging on a rear view mirror that I installed on this tractor too. So if I'm driving down the road, I can look up and see what's behind me. That's not something that comes factory on a tractor. So this is called the Miracle Bamboo Pillow. It looks like the Miracle Bamboo Yuck Pillow right now, but let me tell you what, after a rainstorm, no matter what, if this tractor is sitting outside, this seat's gonna be wet. No matter how much you knock the water out of the seat, it's still gonna be wet. I can sit on this guy and it saves my butt from getting wet. Also sets me up in the tractor a little bit higher where I'm a little more comfortable. And this little notch right here, that little hole right there, goes where your spine goes. It takes the pressure off of your butt and keeps your back from hurting. Another little thing that we did for the tractor here is we put an ammo can for the toolbox. So it came with some wimpy little plastic toolbox like this. We took an ammo can, we painted it John Deere green. I don't care if you got a Kubota green tractor, brown tractor, red tractor, doesn't matter to me. Ammo can makes an awesome watertight toolbox for your tractor. So let's get up here and we'll get the loader hooked up. We're gonna put her in slow gear here. Oop, not that daggone slow. All right, let's get off and talk to you. The rain is here, the rain's coming in. So here's what we've got. Basically, we have to drive the tractor up and catch these two hooks and then drive these two pins into place. So that pin and that pin, and then we'll hook up our hydraulics. And our hydraulic lines are basically laying right over here. Looks like we got a little water drop on the lens there. So here are our hydraulic lines, and I'll take you over here and show you where they hook up. Right here is where all our hydraulic lines hook up. So we match up this guy and this guy with that guy and that guy, and then take our hydraulic lines and hook them in right there and get wet in the process. Pretty cool. I'm debating on the best angle to get you guys so you can see what's going on. I think sitting up here on the tractor is probably gonna be the best. Might not be the smartest. We got her in low one. Basically, I just wanna drive in here as straight as I can, line this guy up. If I don't drive in straight, you'll know it real quick. So, it's easy enough to just watch one of them. It's hard to do this and drive at the same time and film. All right, so I'm pulling up. Let's get you this one right here. Pulling right up here. Just like so. All right, now I've got it on that side. We'll go up here and we'll kind of push up. And now we're nice and even. We'll hook our hydraulic lines in here so we can move this thing up and down and line up my pin that goes right into there. Might be a little loud right here, but that's okay. I think you'll survive. Let's idle down a little bit. So we'll pop all these little caps out, make sure we're fairly clean. I keep an air duster, one of those air nozzle sprays, in the toolbox on the tractor, just in case I got something nasty in here. And I do have something nasty. I need to get a rag and wipe them out or hit it with the air duster. So on the tractor, you can't always have compressed air. So this is the next best thing, Ultra Duster. I really like it. I use it. I keep it in my tractor toolbox. And if I've got goo or yucky down in here, which I do, let me show you what's in there. You see that milky, yucky stuff? It's water down in there, and we need to get that out. What I'll do, and I'm not going to do this with the camera real close, but what I'll do here is I'll blow them out. And I'm going to put my hand here, and you can see it coming out. Now you can't turn you can do the Ultra Duster like this, but you can't turn it upside down or it blows ice out of it. So you don't want to do that. Does a good job. It helps to get trash out, and it's easy to keep on the tractor. I can't keep compressed air on the tractor, but I can keep that. Wipe it out good with my rag. And all this stuff would be caught up in the filter, but the water ain't gonna catch up in the filter, so you gotta think about that. These are the things you're not gonna see on the other homesteaders channel. Everything is color coded, so you're not lost. But the first couple times I did this, I was a little bit lost. Hopefully this makes it easy for you if you've got a John Deere tractor. So I've got orange, I'm looking for orange. I'll hook up my orange, these are quick attach. I say quick attach, but sometimes it takes a little longer than quick. There it goes, that was nice. Then we've got black, purple, red, yellow, and green. Now, I know this big blue guy, it's got a valve on it. Make sure my valve is off and slide him on there. Any of you guys know? Leave in the comments what this valve is for right here. Get this guy connected. Sometimes this thing's under pressure and it's a real pain in the butt. It's working pretty easy with me today. I like it. Red, there we go. There's our yellow. Push this tab down. There we go. And my green, push this tab down a little bit. There we go. We're all connected. We give them a little bit of a tug and we make sure we're all secure. Now I can use my loader arm. We're in park. The tractor ain't gonna move. But now I can use my loader arm to manipulate this thing into place. All right, so this pin lines up with that hole, and then this part of the loader here just sits in place. I'm gonna set the camera where you can see it all kind of come together right here. There's the direction I need to go. Dropping into place. There we go. Thing of beauty right there. All right. Sometimes this goes smooth, and sometimes it doesn't go so smooth. There we go. Right into place. Slip this guy up and right in there. So there's a pretty simple diagram right here. It tells you what needs to be done. The toolbox is in the way a little bit. That's why it made that banging noise. But basically, just slide him right into place. And then he locks in with this little tab. And that's basically it. Now the loader has been sitting here. I'm gonna tilt it up. I'm gonna show you how it sits. There are some chocks on the front of the loader that hold it up. So this arm easily locks into place. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. It gets a little gravel. It's spring loaded and it will pinch the tar out of you. So push this forward, raise that up, and locks into place. Same thing on the other side. Boom. That's it. That's it, guys. That's how the quick attach John Deere loader system works. This is a H240 quick attach loader system on the 5065 John Deere, the 2014 5065 John Deere. So now we can go over and pick up our hay bales, and we can actually drop a hay bale to the goats. So we've got pallet forks on there now, We'll put the hay spear on. We need the bucket. We've got some compost to move. It's wintertime. Snow might be coming. So now we got the loader hooked back up. Now you might be asking yourself, dude, why'd you even unhook it in the first place? Well, I unhooked it because we were running the baler, and the baler has 2 hydraulic connections, and I only have 1 rear remote hydraulic connection. So I pull off the loader and I use the loader handle to open the back of the baler to drop the bale out. Pretty cool. Guys, if you like this stuff, if you like this kind of content, pound that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell icon. This is going to be part of a series on tractor stuff. So we're going to do a whole bunch more tractor stuff. We're going to be working on that big old backhoe down there. We're going to talk more about tractors, more about implements, my top 3 favorite implements to have if you were to start new, if you were to buy a tractor. What 3 implements are the #1 thing you'll use the most? We'll talk about all that stuff in a future video, so be sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time on the Stoney Ridge Farm. All right?
Land of the free, the home of the brave. I'm proud of who I am, and I'm proud of what I made on a Stoney Ridge. Woo!
So here's what I'm planning to do. I'm planning to run up here, halfway dump and slam on the brakes and drop this bale off, and hopefully I get it over into the garden area. This is our corn garden right here. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll see how dumb the goats can be and see if they'll get right up underneath me.